Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Printify for managing product catalogs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Printify for managing your product catalogs, begin by accessing your Printify account. If you don't have an account yet, navigate to the Printify website and create one. After logging into your account, locate the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Click on Apps to view the available integrations. Scroll until you find the e-commerce platform you intend to use, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Select the platform of your choice to initiate the integration process. You will be directed to a page that provides detailed integration instructions. Follow the prompts specific to your chosen platform, which may include logging into your e-commerce account. Grant Printify the required permissions to access your product data. Once permissions are granted, return to Printify's interface to configure your settings. You will now see options for managing your product catalogs. To add new products, click on the Catalog tab located in the top menu. Browse through Printify's extensive range of products and select those you wish to add. Customize the products by adjusting designs, colors, and sizes to fit your brand. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click Add to My Store. Confirm each product's details before finalizing the addition. After adding products, move to the Manage Products section to review your catalog. Here, you can edit, hide, or delete products as needed. Once your catalog is set up, sync it with your e-commerce store by selecting the Sync button. Wait for the synchronization process to complete, which may take a few moments. After syncing, check your e-commerce store to ensure that all products are displayed correctly. If any issues arise, return to Printify and adjust your settings accordingly. You are now fully equipped to manage your product catalogs using Printify effectively. Regularly update your catalog with new products or adjust existing ones to keep your offerings fresh. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.